Tip number 2 is about managing expectations. Now, we usually are not accustomed to making a real big effort to making friends. Usually, our friend making system, or how we make friends, happens really organically, and we make friends in our home country through work, through school, through friends of friends, through the gym that you go to and the place where you have coffee, or community. You can help out in a church or any community activity in your neighborhood, etc. When you move abroad, you won't have that, at least in the first moments. You will have to create that. So it takes a lot more effort to build and to create friendships. So we're not used to that. So it's really important to manage expectations, because you will have to make an effort, something that you might have not, maybe you've never done this consciously before in your life. Also, if people don't respond to you or ghost you intentionally or unintentionally, we never know, don't take it personally, because some people will resonate, other people won't resonate, and it's okay. So don't be upset, and don't be negative if that doesn't happen. Some will. You will. That's why it's really important to open up your web of contacts, so you can increase your chances of really resonating with someone. So tip number 2 is to manage expectations.